As you see here, we're 9 out of 12. It's 8 max. We're just a handful away from running some Jason up in here, man. Yeah, I also did raise Queen 10 suited UTG, but gonna have to fold. All right, we can see a free flop here. Hopefully we smash it. Good morning to you too, Oraholic. I mean, we're definitely not gonna go anywhere yet. We can just flat here. I think we just check pot control in case he does have some sort of king X, and get him to bluff rivers. I mean, we may need a little bit of protection. Unless he was trying to trap, he never has an ace here, right? Unless he was trapping us, but I think he jams all of his ace X pre. We're not going to get called by anything that beats us, so I think we just check and go to showdown. We're still alive, still kicking. 6-3 suited with basically barely any fold equity. Just gonna fold. Just gonna pitch it. Super sloppy. I kind of like it. All right. If it folds, it's going in, guys. Good luck us. Uh-oh. They hit the time bank. Well, that's a good flop for us. I think we check this back a lot of the time. You know, I think this is a very high frequency check here. See, this is the time that I'm like